who is behind it or if there's really a malicious intention behind it, it's still really under investigation.
Mhm.
What I can say though is that personally sa akin on my part, no, it's not my first time to experience my social media pages being under attack because I was in a previous situation before where I was also very vocal and um, hindi sa Facebook, no, a certain social media page of mine was also taken down because I was very vocal there, one of
Mm.
the pages, but I also got that restored. So we're having it investigated. We'll see, no? Pero it's not the first time, and it's clearly connected. Personally, yung sa akin, no, I'm
Mm.
sure it's clearly connected to my being very vocal. Sa Bilyonaryo and sa FTTM, sa Rappler, no, I'm just very na ano din ako this is parang very disturbing but also flattering on my part to be attacked by the same organization or person with this kind of outlets, no, kasi
Yeah.
I would like to think medyo ano pa tayo, hindi pa naman tayo malaking tao, we're just like a langgam in the bigger scheme of things, and yet we were attacked similarly
Yeah.
like Rappler or BNC, of course.